Apple's iPhone 17 Air is coming, and it's thinner, bolder, and packed with surprises. Leaks are dropping juicy details about new colors and next-level features. Want to know what's in store? Stick around. Hey tech fans, the iPhone 17 series is just around the corner, and the iPhone 17 Air is stealing the spotlight. From stunning new colors to cutting-edge specs, today we're diving into the hottest leaks. Let's get started. First up, let's talk colors. According to tipsters, the iPhone 17 Air is set to dazzle in 4 sleek shades: black, silver, light gold, and a gorgeous light blue that's giving MacBook Air sky blue vibes. Early rumors also hinted at green and purple options for the iPhone 17 series, so we might even see more variety. The black and silver look sleek, reminiscent of the iPhone 16's black and white finishes. Which color are you vibing with? Drop it in the comments. Now let's get to the good stuff. Features. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever at just 5.5 millimeters and a feather light 145 grams. It's replacing the Plus model and comes with a stunning 6.6-inch OLED display, rocking a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and scrolling. Under the hood, expect 8 GB of RAM, a 24-megapixel selfie camera, and 48-megapixel single rear camera for crisp, vibrant shots. Powering it all is likely an A18 or A19 chip, paired with a 2800 mAh battery. This phone is shaping up to be a powerhouse. When can you get your hands on it? If Apple sticks to its usual schedule, the iPhone 17 series, including the iPhone 17, Air, Pro, and Pro Max, will launch in September 2025. That's just months away, so the hype is real. The iPhone 17 Air is shaping up to be a game changer with its sleek design, vibrant colors, and top-tier specs. Whether you're all about that light blue glow or the powerhouse performance, this phone has something for everyone. Let us know in the comments which iPhone 17 Air feature you're most excited about. Want more iPhone 17 leaks and tech updates? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon.